Hello friends, welcome to Anis Academy. So as you know that we are doing a video series on profit and loss. So this is the second part in which we are going to solve few problems. So let's get started. Our first problem you can see here is Ramesh bought a chair for rupees 1540 and sold it to Suresh. If Ramesh earned a profit of 25%, find the selling price of the chair. So in the previous video, we have learned formulas and concept. If you have not watched the previous video, I will share the link with you in the I button or in description. You can go ahead and watch that. So using that concept, directly we can use the formula to solve this problem. So here find the selling price of the chair. So we know the formula is selling price is equal to profit percentage is given, then we write 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 multiplied with cost price. Okay, so now in this you can see 100 plus profit percentage is 25 and cost price is 1540. Now upon solving this we get 125 and let's cancel this 0. So this becomes 10 into 154. Okay, now I'll further simplify it. 5 2s are 10 and this becomes 25. 25 5s are 125. Now with 2 I can cancel this also. So 77 I'm getting. Now we have to do 25 into 77. So that will give me the answer. Let's do it quickly. One 175. So 5, 7 plus 5 is 12 and 1925. So 1925 is the selling price. Okay, so that Ramesh gets a profit of 25%. Now let us solve the second problem. So second problem says a shopkeeper purchases a table and sell it for rupees 4200. Okay, if he incurs a loss of 20%. So in this example, loss is there and find the cost price of the table. So previous example profit was there and you have to find selling price. Here we have to find the cost price and the loss is there. Okay, and that also is in percentage. So same here also we have to use the formula. So cost price is equal to, in case of cost price, in the previous video we have discussed this fraction will become reverse. Okay, 100 upon 100 minus loss is always subtracted. So 100 minus loss percentage multiplied with selling price. Okay, this is the formula. So let's replace the values in this formula. So we will get 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage is 20%. Okay, so and selling price is 4200. Okay, so this will become 100 upon 80 into 4200. So 0 is cancelled. Now we will cancel with 2 to make it simple. So 100, I'll write it here, 8 into 420. So this becomes 4, this becomes 2 1. Okay, 0. Now with 4 I can cancel this 25. Now 25 into 210. So 25 into 21, if I do 25 and 55 to 5. So this becomes 5250. Okay, at the end we can put this 0. So this is in rupees cost price. Cost price is 5250. So the shopkeeper has sold it for 4,200, which is less than the cost price, and he gets a loss of 20%. Now let's solve few more problems. So friends, I'm back here with two more problems. So let us solve the third problem now. Suresh bought a cell phone and sells it at rupees 8,400 to Mahesh. So this is the selling price because Suresh is selling at 8,400 rupees to Mahesh and earns a profit of 12%, and he is earning a profit as well. Find the price at which Suresh bought the cell phone. So what we have to find is at what price Suresh bought the cell phone, which is cost price. Cost price we have to buy. So we will be using the formula for cost price. Okay. So very clearly you can see Suresh has sold the cell phone at 8,400. That means the SP is given. So we will use the formula. So formula is 100 upon 100. Since profit is there, we will write plus profit percentage multiplied with selling price. Okay. So using this formula, we can directly arrive at the result. So cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage, which is 112, right? 12 is the profit percentage, and selling price is 8,400. Okay, 8,400 is the selling price. So we will be doing the simplification now. So 112 will be divided, if you multiply 75, this will cancel this, and then 75 multiplied with 100 will give 7,500. So 7,500 is the cost price. So Suresh has bought the cell phone at 7,500 and he sold it to 8,400 to Mahesh. So he got a profit of 12%. Now let us quickly solve the next problem, fourth one. Fourth problem, it says a man incurs 10% loss by selling a bag at rupees 540. So selling a bag at 540, that means selling price is given and loss percentage is also given. Okay, so at what price should the bag be sold to earn 20% profit? So in this question, if you see, there are two problems actually. First is we have to find the cost price, then only we can solve the second part of the problem, wherein it says what price should the bag be sold, means again selling price, we have to find new selling price, so that the man earns a profit of 20%. Man has incurred a loss. So here in the first part of problem, you can see this is loss percentage and this is selling price. So we will find the cost price. Cost price, you know friends, right? It is same in the both the condition, where it is loss or profit, cost is same, but selling price will change. So cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage we do multiplied with selling price. Okay, so this becomes 100 minus loss percentage is 10, so we'll write here 10, and selling price is 540. Okay, so this becomes 100 upon 90 into 540. Okay, so 0 goes, and 9 table we get 54, right? 9 6 54. So this becomes 600 rupees. So cost price is 600 rupees. Cost price is 600 rupees. Now what price should the bag be sold to earn 20% profit? Okay, so we have to find now selling price. Okay, in the second part of the question, we have to find the selling price. Selling price formula is what is given, 20% profit is given. So we write here 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 multiplied with cost price. Cost price is not given, but we have just now calculated cost price. So we will use this cost price. Now this becomes 100 plus profit percentage is 20. So that means 120 upon 100 into 600. Okay, so both zeros goes off, and then we can multiply 120 into 6, so 0, 6 2s are 12, and 6 and 720 rupees. So if the man sells the bag at rupees 720, then man will make a profit of 20%. So we have solved this problem as well. Okay, thank you very much friends. In this video I'll stop it till here. I'll bring some more interesting videos on profit and loss. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.